How to fix Madden NFL 24 starters not playing. So, if you're facing a problem with NFL 24 starters not playing issue, then the first thing you want to do is, if your starters are not playing in your game, first disable your progressive fatigue. So, as said, here the franchise mode, there exists a setting known as progressive fatigue, designed to replicate the effects of playing consecutive games. The setting is leading to player fatigue and the need for rest. So, some players have experienced situations where their starters are benched even when they are not genuinely fatigued. So, the next thing you want to do is to adjust the fatigue. So, the fatigue slider plays a crucial role in determining how quick or quickly the players tired during a game. If the slider is set too high, it can lead to players becoming tired too rapidly and needing rest, even when they are not actually fatigued. So you want to adjust this setting in order to let your starters play. And also what you want to do is review the auto subs. So you need to review the auto subs sometimes on the break game or leading other players, because auto subs can sometimes break the game or leading other players not to enter the game, such as your starters. And the most important thing is to update your game. So make sure to update your game. So the problem starters not playing may indeed be linked to game glitches or bugs. So make sure to update your game, and after updating, so you need to update by installing the updated version or installing the latest version. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Madden NFL 24 starters not playing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.